Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're going to go into the Dollar Tree to get some cheap keto meals. My goal is to get 5 cheap keto meals at the Dollar Tree. Let's dive in. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, I'm going to go into the Dollar Tree and get a cheap keto meals. My goal is to get 5 cheap keto meals from the Dollar Tree. Do you think I can do it? Before we dive in, I have lost a significant amount of weight through keto, through intermittent fasting. Let me show you my before and after picture. And make sure if you like this video that you smash that like button, you click subscribe and get my free, yes, I said free weekly keto emailed meal plan to you. It's emailed every Weight Loss Wednesday directly to your inbox with my free gift to the Countess of Low Carb community. Now let's dive into the content. But first, this video is in collaboration with the amazing Kristi Davis YouTube channel. I will put her information down below. She has really cool hauls that she does, and I really like her channel a lot. Plus, she's lost a ton of weight with keto. So go check that out. That's in the description link below after you watch this video. Skadoodle over to her channel. I am so excited to see what I can get. What do you think my cheap keto meals are gonna be? Any predictions? I'm stoked to go in and find out. Have you seen my most recent coconut milk ice cream video that I've done? This is great to use for keto ice cream. I definitely would recommend it. It's just simply the coconut milk. You need to make sure though it's unsweetened, and this one is unsweetened. So this would be great, and I'll put that down in the description link below for my recipe as to how to make the ice cream, keto ice cream with this. So here's the next section that I would get would be their tuna. Tuna with the mayonnaise totally would be another great cheap keto meal. I definitely would rank that as #1 because I love tuna. I would get one of the cans of tuna. I like to get my tuna in the water and then just mix this with mayonnaise. Make sure your mayonnaise does not have soybean oil, and if it does, make that conscious decision that the soybean oil can be inflammatory. But this one, it's 4 ounces of meat, which is great. Sometimes I have a can and a half to make it 6 ounces, just if I'm hungry, if I'm breaking a fast or things like that. But that would be a choice. Another one is sardines. I don't like that, so I'm not putting it on my list, but maybe you might. Sardines would be another good one. I do see in here they have buffalo style chicken salad. Make your own. All you need to do is get your chicken salad, make that, add some cream cheese and hot sauce. Let me show you the hot sauce I use. So #1 is going to be getting some turkey that's in here and making like a turkey roll up. You can mix that with the cream cheese over here. That would be cheap keto meal #1. Cheap keto meal #2 would be to get the ham mixed with some of the cheese, put a little pickle on that. They do have the snap pickles, which are my favorite. These are actually cheaper than Walmart because they're only $1, and at Walmart they're $1.25. That is another great thing that you could get a roll up, have it with a side of pickles. We do have the spicy ones. Lots of good stuff for your cheap keto meal. So we personally at home use Frank's Red Hot Sauce or Texas Pete. Either are great. You can mix that together with your tuna, or you can mix it with your chicken salad and makes for a great buffalo seasoning meal. I like that a lot. Do note this mayonnaise does have in it there's soybean oil, which is inflammatory. So just being mindful of that. It's a purchase, as I like Duke's mayonnaise personally, but it does have soybean oil in it. The ones that are the cleanest are Primal or an avocado oil based one that you can make yourself. Okay, so here is another great one of my cheap keto meal sections that I totally would get. One is the pickles. Just make sure you check the ingredients. There's not added sugars on them. So this one, for example, this is a go. This does not have any added sugars in it. And look, there's little baby gherkins in these. I would recommend these as well. Let's see if there's no sugar. No sugar. These would also be a go for the baby gherkins. I would get the pickles, the olives as well. So these stuffed olives would be another great choice that you could get. Just making sure we check the ingredients. Those would be good. I would add this maybe with some cream cheese. You could put this on top of having the olives and the cream cheese together, literally as an entire meal, maybe on top of the 2 cups of spinach. Incorporating that 2 cups of spinach is super important for your magnesium and potassium, but this would be another great one I would totally recommend. So for pork rinds, you could take the pork rinds, mash these up with the chicken breast down there, put them in an egg wash, put your mashed pork rinds on them, and fry up some chicken in the butter. That is one of my favorite keto meals, is keto fried chicken. You could totally do that using all the Dollar Tree ingredients for keto. So they have the old snap pickles. I would combine the old snap pickles with maybe some cheese. That would be one of my cheap keto meals. hot dogs, I would cut the hot dogs up and put them on the hot dogs or on top of the little sausages. Or you could even wrap it in the deli meat. You could wrap the deli meat with the cream cheese, with regular cheese. That's a lot of dairy, but that could definitely be done. Here is more cream cheese, and they do have butter up in here too. Another cheap keto item I totally missed but went back for was the pepperonis. These would be great for pepperoni chips. You could eat them just by themselves. You can do a lot. It's really versatile for a great keto meal and a great keto lunch on the go, or just to have. And then they do also have in here turkey bacon. My preference though is regular pork bacon because it's higher in fat. And they do have it down in here hot dogs as well. Have you signed up for my free weekly emailed keto meal plan? It's down in the description link below. One of the things I absolutely include for my cheap keto meals is 2 cups of spinach or 2 cups of romaine. For most of my keto meals, I put my own homemade dressing on there, which is apple cider vinegar, which you can get here, and then I use an olive oil, which you can get here, or I get an avocado oil that I order online. That dressing is only 3 parts of the oil, 1 part of the apple cider vinegar. Put that on top of your spinach or your romaine lettuce. You need that magnesium and potassium from spinach, and from that romaine lettuce to help your body with keto. Going your body into ketosis, you absolutely do need to have those minerals. So I would suggest that. That's not a purchase you can get here at the Dollar Tree, but you can get cheap spinach and cheap romaine lettuce from your grocery store or grow your own. In addition to the regular old cheese snacks. And at the bottom down here, they have eggs. Hard-boiled eggs with mayonnaise would definitely be one of my cheap keto meals as well. So for a side on my cheap keto meal, I would get some LaCroix also to have some sparkling water with that too. Okay, this jerky might be a choice. Let's check out the ingredients though to see. Okay, so there's brown sugar as number 3 ingredient. 6 carbs for 1 package and 6 grams of sugar. I'm going to pass on this one. That would not be the best choice for high fat, moderate protein, low carb. Let's look at these to see. I feel like this is probably going to be very similar. Yep, brown sugar is the second ingredient on that. 7 carbs and 3 grams of sugar for the whole package. It's not even 1 full ounce, so that's not a lot of like food for the volume on those macros. So here's the Alfredo. I actually would say not to get this because you can make your own with cream cheese, and some butter with Parmesan. It's way easier and cheaper to make your own Alfredo sauce versus the can. I would get the Parmesan. You can use this. It does have creepy carbs because it's a container. Of course, getting fresh is best, but this I personally use for my family, the packaged ones, knowing that it has creepy carbs in it though. Peanuts are not keto, but they are a low carb snack, so that would be something if you're doing low carb. But our goal today is to get the keto stuff. So they do have frozen vegetables in here. My third cheap keto meal would be to get the spinach or the asparagus and mix this with some butter or olive oil. So for 1 cup, it's 1 net carb. For all of this, mixed with some butter. You could do the asparagus, which would be 1, let's see how much 1 cup is. It's saying 1 serving size is 5 carbohydrates or 3 net carbs. If you did the green beans, those would be 2/3 a cup or 7 carbs or 5 net carbs. And let's see how much the broccoli would be. The broccoli, 4 ounces, which is a half a cup, would be 4 carbs or 2 net carbs, depending. So that would definitely be one of my cheap keto meals, is mixing that with also some butter or some olive oil. They do have down below the pork loin riblets, but I would be hesitant of that because of the barbecue seasoning with it. What I would rather see instead would be, they have a chicken breast in here, so the boneless chicken breast, you could cook this with some butter and maybe with some cream and some Parmesan, and that would be my cheap keto meal number 4, would be the chicken breast plus butter plus heavy cream mixed with Parmesan. There you've got another cheap keto meal. You could also take the cheese, the sprinkled cheese, and put it on a piece of parchment paper to make cheese crisps out of that too. That's one of my other cheap keto meals that I absolutely love. You just would need parchment paper with that. I'm going to avoid the ice cream aisle because there's really nothing in there that would pertain to us. For my 5th cheap keto meal, I would get this cheeseburger. I just would eat it without the bun. I totally would get the meat and the patty and then just not eat the bun with it. That would be my next cheap keto meal. I would not get any of these other things, like that has too much sugar on it for the barbecue sandwich, and then this is breaded, that would have too many carbs. Another cheap keto meal that you could get would be to get one of these Jim sausages and just not eat it with the English muffin, just get the sausage with the cheese on top. That would totally be a great keto meal or low carb meal. So I would get, with my vegetables that I had talked about, I would get some of the oil also. You could get their extra virgin oil. There's been some controversy if those are regular oils with them. So do your research on that. But I would make that as one of my cheap keto meals too. That would not be cheap keto. We're gonna pass on that one. They do have pink Himalayan salt, which is great. This is great. That was one of the purchases that they have here. They do also have ranch dressing as a choice, just again being mindful of that soybean oil in it, or canola oil is inflammatory. They also have at the bottom the unfiltered apple cider vinegar. That would be another choice that I would get as well. You can use that apple cider vinegar for your keto pot roast. You can get some cheap keto chuck meat from the grocery store. I forget how much it is a pound, maybe $2 a pound, something like that. And that's part, the apple cider vinegar is part of the crock pot recipe I have, which I will link down in the description link below. It's a huge meal for keto on a budget. I highly recommend it. And that is also part of my weekly keto shopping, is including things like that that I can pair with other things. The next cheap keto meal item I would get is pesto. Have you guys seen my pesto pizza? I will link that in the description link below too, but this is a great addition to add for your keto pizza recipe. You can't get the almond flour here. You could get almonds and make your own almond flour and then put that in my recipe, but you would need almond flour to do that. And again, you can make your own out of the almonds. But this is one of the toppings I use along with the mozzarella cheese, which is in the refrigerator back that way. You could get that and make delicious keto pizzas really simply, really inexpensively. One thing to caution, I found this guacamole style dip. It has one of the top ingredients is vegetable oil, which is super inflammatory and is not keto. It's not a keto ingredient. So I'm gonna put that back. I was wondering about that though, if that potentially could slide or work somehow into my keto meals. I'm gonna make for like a great keto lunch or keto dinner with like my cheese crisps, not so much. I'm gonna keep looking. I also love these two. These are definitely a part of some of my snacks, my keto snacks that I get. These are great in addition to the LaCroix. I love the LaCroix too. Those are some of my favorites. Not help but go into the seasonal section. I love their cute little Easter stuff, but I'm gonna stay focused. Let's go get our cheap keto meals. Ideally, these sausage links would not be included because they are made out with maple syrup on them, which is too sugary. So that would not be a good one to get. I also, in a pinch, it would not be bad to get one of these pizzas, but just scrape off the toppings. That would be another one if I was in an absolute pinch to eat as well. Pecan halves mixed with some butter is another great keto snack. Maybe not really a keto meal, but let's see how many carbs it is. One bag of these is 5 carbs or 3 net carbs for this whole bag, 1.25 ounces. This I would definitely include for one of my keto meals or a keto snack. And while you're here, you could also get a cool new water bottle. These are so cute. I like this pink one a lot. This one's very, very cute. But you could get a whole new water bottle if you wanted. So I'm gonna check out for one of my other cheap keto meals is the chicken sausages to see the ingredients, to see if those would be a cheap keto meal or not. It says chicken breast, jalapenos. These would look pretty good. I don't know if I personally would eat them, but they are definitely a keto meal choice. If you're needing a quick keto dinner for your kids to pop on and make pretty quickly, this would be one of them. You could even mix it with your homemade Alfredo sauce, which is simply cream cheese, Parmesan, and butter, or you can add some heavy cream to it, which is all ingredients you can find here. And here's these delicious pickles again. Those would be another choice too. And this would be great to add to your deviled eggs. The distilled vinegar, like this huge one, is only $1 as well. I also love having just the cheese packets to pack in my lunch too for a quick keto lunch. That makes for an easy one as well to get. They do have sausage links down at the bottom as well, and that would be another great cheap keto meal too. These packages, I tend not to get these type of packages because you're literally throwing away the Butterfinger and the crackers, and that's such a small portion. Or you could just get your own deli style meat and make your own out of these with having the ham, the turkey, the sausage, and the cheese over on the other side. You could also make your own chicken salad or turkey salad just by mixing the canned meat with some vegetable, with some mayonnaise too. So, just leaving, my #1 cheap keto meal was my keto fried chicken recipe. That was super, super simple, inexpensive, does not have to be pricey. I definitely recommend that, but let me go back to the car and go through all of my goodies for my cheap keto meals. So now I'm back in my car. Let's do a recap of all of my cheap keto meals and keto on a budget. Of course, we know that organic is best and grass-fed is best, but do the best that you can afford. #1 was the turkey roll-up. #2 was our cream cheese and cheese, mixing it with some ham as well. That was #2. #3, I got a list down here. #3 was our frozen vegetables, adding that with some butter, like a tablespoon of grass-fed butter or regular butter, or a tablespoon of olive oil, just not canola oil, not that is inflammatory, and not vegetable oil. #4 that we had, oh, and along that line with the vegetables, 1 cup of spinach was only 1 net carb, the frozen spinach. Frozen asparagus was 5 carbs or 3 net carbs for 1 cup. For the green beans, 2/3 of a cup was 7 carbs or 5 net carbs, and the broccoli, a half a cup was 4 carbs or 2 net carbs, depending on which way you count it. The 4th thing that I had on my list was the chicken breast. They had frozen chicken breast. Simply heat up the chicken breast, mix that with some cream cheese and some Parmesan and some butter. Done! Or you can make a keto lunch, keto dinner out of that by having pesto with that too. That pesto with cream cheese and butter, you'll thank me later. If you make that, thank me later, because you will seriously love it. #5 was the cheeseburger, just with no bun on it. Just take the bun off. #6 was the Jimmy Dean sausage with no bun on that either. And my #7 cheap keto meal on the ketogenic diet was my dessert. It was the coconut milk, the unsweetened. It needs to be unsweetened coconut milk. Goes with my keto ice cream, my chocolate chip keto ice cream recipe I have, which I'll put in the description link below. So it's really dessert, not really a meal, but sometimes you can make dessert meals, right? On Fridays. You could. #8 was pickles, just having that straight up, but really I like having, I don't have this, y'all have suggested this. I'm trying to like olives. I'm not there yet, but I'm trying. Olives mixed with cream cheese. That could be a meal in itself because it is high fat, moderate protein, low carb. #9 was the apple cider vinegar pot roast. So while you can't buy chuck meat here, at least at my Dollar Tree, you can find cheap or inexpensive chuck roast meat and put it in your crock pot and use the apple cider vinegar from the Dollar Tree, and then you can put your seasonings on there. Y'all, that meal is so inexpensive for keto. It lasts for a great keto lunch, keto dinner. It makes for a really easy keto meal, and y'all, I'm all about easy keto. So #10 was my pesto pizza. While they don't have almond flour here at the Dollar Tree, you can make your own almond flour, and for a heck of a lot cheaper. I don't have a video on that, other people do, of where you just use your food processor to like grind up almonds, and I think you can get almonds here too. I didn't see any. Just make sure they're not coated in canola oil or vegetable oil. #11 was, where was it? Pepperoni crisps. Just put those on some parchment paper. I didn't see parchment paper here, but that doesn't mean it doesn't exist. Wax paper does not work. You have to do it on parchment paper or it will stick. #13 was eggs with mayonnaise. You could do like an egg salad. You could do hard-boiled eggs. You could put a little of that pink Himalayan salt on top of it to get some more of your electrolytes. That would be another one. So my goal was to do 5 cheap keto meals and easy keto meals, and I did, how many? I did 13. Lucky 13, friends. Do you need to share this video with a friend? Do you know somebody who's doing keto with you that might be interested in having cheap keto meals? Make sure you share this video with them. And make sure you check out the amazing Kristi Davis YouTube channel in the description link below, and check out her video of her Dollar Tree haul that she did as well. Have you loved this video? Smash that like button. Make sure you click subscribe, and also make sure you sign up for my free weekly keto emailed newsletter. It has all of my keto meal plans in them, my intermittent fasting plan in it. It's got a lot of free awesome content just for you, my friend. And if you want to check out my other keto grocery shopping hauls or cheap keto hauls, those are down in the description link below too. Make it a powerful day. Bye, friends.